Hello, good morning everyone. Hope you all had a good night's rest. Right, welcome to this morning's session. We'll just crack on and go straight to our trading plan. As usual, we'll start off with the economic calendar and see what reports of high importance are due out today. And again, the main market we're focusing on is the Euro-US dollar. And looking at the economic calendar, we know today is the 25th of September, Thursday the 25th of September. And we have the US durable goods orders and the initial jobless claims report due out at 1:30 p.m. GMT plus 1. So at 1:30 p.m. GMT plus 1, we have these reports coming out of USA. And those are the last reports of high importance. And as we know, the markets usually trend sideways prior to the last report of high importance. And again, you don't use the word always or never when it comes to trading. Obviously, you base your plan on what usually happens. And we know that the market usually trends sideways prior to the last report of high importance. And the last report of high importance today is at 1:30. So we're going to be extremely cautious trading the markets prior to 1:30. Okay, so we're not going to meet at 12 midday. We're not going to meet at 12 midday. We'll just meet at 1:25. So we'll meet 5 minutes before the last report of high importance. So I'll send out a webinar invitation after this session. So check your emails and register for that session. So we'll not be meeting at midday. We'll meet at 1:25, just 5 minutes before the report is due out. Okay, so let's go to the charts and see what we can do. So looking at the charts, we can see this is from yesterday. So that's the sell order we had from yesterday, and you can see the market actually hit the 60 pips mark. So I'm not sure why it didn't take me out of the trade, which is a bit strange. It's taking me to the 60 pips mark, so I should have been taken out, but I have to find out what went out there. But we finally got to the 60-point mark, and I will just update my spreadsheet on that. So we'll just update that to 540. So that's just completing yesterday's trade and yesterday's spreadsheet. And then we'll focus on today. So that's just from yesterday. So that's yesterday's trade. I would sort that one out afterwards. So looking at today, you can see this white line we drew yesterday for the sideways trend. You can see the market broke the low part of the sideways trend, and it's then beginning to continue to trend sideways. But I'll just remove those white lines because we can see, we can see clearly that the pivot point and the first support, you can see they're both clearly outside the sideways trend. So we can just remove those white lines. So you can see clearly the pivot point and the first support are outside the sideways trend. But because there's a report due out at 1:30 of high importance, we will not place any pending orders. We'll just wait till then before we trade. We're just going to keep out of the market and wait and see. So there will be no pending orders placed. You're just going to keep out of the market, enjoy your day. Find something else to do, take a break from the markets, and like I said, we'll meet again at 1:25 and then decide then where to place our trades in readiness for the reports due out at 1:30. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, do click the hand button or send your questions through to the question box. Otherwise, if you have no questions, I wish you have a good breakfast, the most important meal of the day, And like I said, we'll speak later at 1:25 this afternoon. So take care. God bless.